Hi Ben. Ever wondered how much ROI you could get by automising warehouse cleaning? The warehouse of the future is already a reality today. Businesses must be smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever to be able to fulfill consumer demands. Many are turning to automated networks which ensure the right goods get to right destination at the right time. The problem is, these fast-moving and busy warehouses kick up a lot of dust, which in turn affects your sensors, machinery, and product quality, resulting in more customer returns, complaints, and lost business. But what if you could automate your warehouse cleaning and reduce dust by up to 80%? And save up to 70% on your cleaning costs? With Zender Clean Air Solutions, it's easy to keep your plant working as reliably and effectively as possible. Book your site assessment with one of our experts to find out how much time and money you could save with our smart industrial air purifiers.